Yes, go off the pitch. Go off the pitch.
Let's go, guys. Let's move.
Go off the pitch.
Let's move.
Go off the pitch.
Thank you for the initiative to enable us honor Pele as we remember his passing. Pele, as we know, a son of Africa who brought the whole world together through sport, and a man from humble beginnings who rose to the level of excellence. And that is always an inspiration to many in the world with such a history, with such a background. And that gives them hope that in the same way they can do things that bring them to the same level. So I want to express our gratitude for being part of that remembrance, for being part of this sport that strives to get the world